Mame Mao Akwaba Emfa Umbra Ghana SM TVGH so wofre me Addo searching.
Yentena ho mu obi amfa President Akufo-Addo ne busua animu ntwetwiri fom bio. Let nobody create the impression say President Akufo-Addo ne busua eye akromfo. Between President Akufo-Addo, President Mahama baye in less than 1.5 years. Ye de yemfa to ho between one Akufo-Addo ya ne President Mahama ye kromfotachi amwa. Na wo ka osi deal bi di ajapade. Ye ni deal bi number 1 e di ajapade. So get your facts right. Ye ni bibi e friend ajapade. Ebio offer o kan say President Akufo-Addo ba akwakra nioma ba wantua
ende mama na twasa
wantwa ansan
atwasa
da bi o ka say you waka wate no ya twasan
atwasa bi ate na wante
na ne Ibrahim Mahama so ya be ne den
do the elder
no offer me say Ibrahim Mahama ya be ne den enya Ibrahim Mahama na ma checks e bounce ye no
matwa mama na
GRA checks no me ma evidence wantimi ama evidence to Akufo-Addo ba akwakra nioma Akufo-Addo ba no kwakra car na kwakra TV kwakra computers ana kwakra mpaboa ohun sa tro na musori a mudi no mo say mo desist from it because if you live in a glass house, don't throw stones. Ibrahim Mahama or no cranioma twitwi dieba because he knew president intino. No one to duty and nekra wotu akra yenim.
And also
and no dia offer ya dance here. The any dance here say Ibrahim Mahama issue checks crime man bounce. After sending you hesitate. Ah, o me to duty on nneoma ho a issue checks man bounce. Offer we dey say public knowledge. Meboa, it unlike or no need dia went me anka bibia me too mira kiresi.
Unpair Christo for asem, and they are unpair Christo for asem. And then Nyankopon Addo Roma, we are beginning to see who is for God and who is not for God. Okay? We see who is for God and who is not for God. Monsa Dibi. Ghana. Ghana. See how we have had Christians, Muslims, traditionalists, and even other religions operating in Ghana since time immemorial. It has never been a problem. In Ghana, never did we ever go to any election say, yeah, koto di ama Rollins because Rollins is Catholic. Yeah, koto di ama Nkrumah because Nkrumah is traditionalist. Utie. Hold up. Traditionalists, all the other religions that were Ghana in Ano, Juma boom. We never had a problem. Ebi a winimbi. But me who Rollins a membo kakra. But man tida so because what the Christian ni ba no mind beko ye and now the Muslim ba no mind beko ye. That argument was never there. Utie. Yantisa woka se wokofa traditionalist. Edi ni bedi adi Ghana be ye. Yenyine no so amfa nto abada. Say the American ye pa. The farthest we had gone with religion, they say a Christo for those to change kremufo. That's all. That's the farthest we have gone. Yanumu bits na ye pages so advice Ghana for say. Say Obika Chelsea could choose president because of your presbini. Could choose president because of your Methodist near. Only pano wa because enya so for the who could choose one penny. A president for the whole nation. President bet me a Muslimini, but only to me so because I'm a Muslimini to be a Muslimini ama enya no crack. President bet me a Christoni. Now so only to me be a because I'm a Christoni will be a walk chronumubia and any Christoni. President in this said to me no. And untinanka obi suma awesome. Obi adriani a wodie. Baby uncle be fidie, nanke new kwanse de to aba. Nanso yetena Ghana. Ame to me a onipa ba ko pepe John Dramani Mahama nko a. Ye did to me shan and son away who ye no born biara yen tantan time. Or so a per second chance ya be bio be correcting the mistake no kwasi abra no be born first no or per quite the ababa sister to know all of a sudden adia yenim say eye no ene ye nane ni bi no obia ntum say ye bi ene kofa asane ama we ni na ba. We are looking for competence and not who can pray the best. About one year, Cotton Christopher, 9 years to bet to me, I can't reba catata, reba baba, 9 years no years to show, there be. Ya pobia or one him dear was slow or one yamisura, yes, Sumanisa one quadia diambra will bet to me the idea, but any of you our bottoms, 9 years no years to check. Nanso a Christopher, ya huti bonkoso. Etina homa ya sofo na ye yusu ya de milk ya de ye hu ye no ebe ka kire ye se wo ye kristoni na wotu abade maba wo mi a wato ama muslimi ni arab fo be ba beje Ghana afa. Asofo said that team said there is no way we are going to allow a Muslim to become president. No way, no way. Because some Junimuno, some Muslim president ba country ni na be than Muslim. What be that? Chale 2024 or 2024 election there. Chale modern kwasi asem koto abapa o. Modern kwasi asem koto abapa because it doesn't make sense. It does not make sense one bit. Me say yet na home ye ka kire ye say obi ye assemblies of God ni nto ono de nyankopon sa eye den e won so. Dr. Bawomiaka allow Akuba eno no nyame nim. Allow Akuba no according to a Christopher ni bi no enye nyamesam. Eno nti enye wo ba no school na okọ no there bi. Enye wo ba no nursing training na okọ no there bi. Enye wo ba no teachers training no there bi. Oba no wo migration enye na adwuma no there bi. Na mbom we Awurade Yesu Kristo bona hinie ne ban. Meboa. Ye boss ra hinie hu ban. Ye Christopher mapa. Ye ba hinie no ban. We are defending the kingdom of God. We are defending the kingdom of God. Who told you yours is the kingdom of God? And our Bible no crown on tiase. O Bible no crown on tiase oh. Because anka tiase anka ma medra anka ntra me say Kristo ni nko an eye kronkron. Ho na ka asem ne kire o. Obi afisa wo Bible no kra ka kire say enye won na ese Awurade ni na be hu asoro ahema mu ana no na ya na mo nka. Bible no kra mo ye dey. Huh? Wajimi o. Ni wajimi no. Wajimi ajufi sa wajufie ne ho na ade wani akoto. Enu tire jaye jaman na wo si wunya ye jaman because una nana okọ presby or ye Kristo ni ma papa. And the same Bible no say on the day of judgment anya wona na asori a wo call ye ho ne ye be hwe de aboa. Ana Bible ne kutekuta mokwa. Ebere no suna se wo suru nyankopon bebi na tan a wan kofa me kwesi apia me nana esime nta ho a wotena asabi gomu ayende ya asori wono ne kronkron a obo ye ho nka se kwesi ei wona na atua waka ni na ma unti ko there be each one would account for their own. Obi afri se Bible ni se ye mani ni na enyini ya dani o enyini mmom na Kristo ni wi afi sa verses no enemy bisa. And maybe sir, we have a Christian president. Bonnie Jai Organa. Me pa so mo dem a mo ye trumu a Jai because and you Christian president yana. One say one ma wadwini anye adwuma. One senka o sheda ma ho abotre kakra wa mebufuo ne bitterness na anye too much. And I can relax kakra na adwan kon say NDC for that. On NDC for that. Sure. Anytime I will say NDC for etu yeni say ye can be bia say obia ye bibi no na yomo na shase. Obi say, where is Oforiata and our money? Please, how much of the money did Oforiata steal? I know where Oforiata is. I just don't know which amount of money he stole. If you can help me with how much, okay, where is the National Cathedral? Okay, yes, so, me patron me about Oforiata stole. Me patron my number, no, what did Oforiata steal? I want to answer you. Me patron, the other trust, I know, be bold enough and come again. You want to find out about the cathedral, and then you want to find out where Oforiata is. But I wanted you to tell me how much money is missing. That is with Oforiata. I want to know how much Ghana is charging Oforiata. Sikabaya, you are in government. They be a mekao. Ghana for. They be a mekasa assembly. Says, our party NDC no. Nyansa for nimo. Enyan tro, diva. As someone American, enyan tro. That political party called NDC no. Nyansa nimo. And that the nyansa woni trimuno so no. Unhani bibi kakra mani hia pepepe ne nyansa ne yira. Womo ye ada money nkabire chire. God temu beye. God temu ebinimu beye. Yes. San NDC 40. What's ha? Our power, but or Kasata said they accept you or opposition. Mu opposition no. Musu obi a diska. Ghana ni awo hwe me ha. Enne mumisa NDC for so musu Oforiata awies kampacho eska be ya. Oforiata de musika sika ne ya he. Omu ntumi yansa. But omeka cho say Oforiata de musika. We are here talking about the stupidity these stupid people call NDC. Sakwasiampafo we num ejedenchie Jimmy Fon Kraman we num abodan for NDC for we better the Christopher. Ebeji yetumia enne a Christopher is under attack under John Dramani Mahama the Christian.